let's understand what is the benefit, what is the significance and the benefit to the plants, okay, of double fertilization. The first benefit is एंजियोस्पर्म के इस यूनिक फीचर के वजह से जो सीड हमें मिलता है, प्लांट्स को जो सीड मिलता है वो सीड के साथ फूड भी मिलता है, राइट? क्योंकि पहला जो फ्यूजन होता है यू गेट अ जाइगोट, लेकिन सेकंड फ्यूजन जो होता है उसके अंदर यू गेट द न्यूक्लियस, और वी कैन से द endosperm nucleus, right? Endosperm, you remember the second fusion which is called as triple fusion. In triple fusion you are getting food for the seed, so the zygote is developed. So the second important, first is clear, in angiosperm parents not only invest in the zygote but also they get, along with zygote they are getting food. So because of two fusion we are getting the seed as well as the food. Seed matlab jo hame zygote banta hai, that is the seed, only if the egg is fertilized. Now the second important point, it is the diploid zygote. जो zygote हमें बनता है inside the angiosperm, this diploid zygote develops into an embryo and it forms a new plant. So that is growing into a seed, and then the whole embryo will become a new plant when it is sown inside the soil. जब उसे हम लोग सो करते हैं मिट्टी के अंदर, it grows into a new plant, right? Now we are talking about which? We are talking about the diploid zygote, जो हमारे फर्स्ट फ्यूजन में जो हमें मिलता है, that is the diploid zygote. उसमें क्यों diploid word यूज़ किया है? क्योंकि haploid male gamete is fusing with haploid egg cell, okay? And next, third point, the triploid जो सेकेंड फ्यूजन में हुआ था, सेकेंड फ्यूजन के प्रोडक्ट का नाम क्या था? PEN, प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म न्यूक्लियस. सो जो ट्रिप्लॉइड एंडोस्पर्म न्यूक्लियस बनता है, इट ग्रोज इनटू द न्यूट्रिटिव एंडोस्पर्म टिश्यू. मतलब जाइगोट के आसपास ऐसा टिश्यू बन जाता है जो कि जाइगोट को ग्रो करने में और उसको मल्टीप्लाई करने में, इनटू डेवलप इनटू अ प्रॉपर सीड or fruit depending upon the, I'm going to show you one video that will help you in understanding more how this grows and forms a seed or a fruit, okay? Then fourth point, it restores the diploid condition. Diploid condition कैसे मिल जाता है? क्योंकि male was haploid and the female egg cell was also haploid. Haploid plus haploid give rise to diploid condition, okay? And the last, it helps to avoid polyembryony. So here only single embryo is formed, not many embryo is formed. Only single embryo, because we have one egg cell that is fusing with the male gamete. So that is because of the double fertilization. So don't forget, double fertilization means syngamy plus triple fusion. सिंगैमी का मतलब होता है प्रॉपर फ्यूजन ऑफ मेल गैमेट विद फीमेल गैमेट गिविंग राइज टू द जाइगोट. और जो सेकेंड फ्यूजन है उसको हमने वर्ड दिया है ट्रिपल फ्यूजन, बिकॉज दे आर फॉर्मिंग द एंडोस्पर्म न्यूक्लियस, दे आर फॉर्मिंग द न्यूट्रिटिव टिश्यू. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड. लेट्स watch the next topic, that's the development of endosperm. We have three types of endosperm. One is nuclear type, another is cellular type, and halobial type. So we are going to just get the nutshell of it. जैसे ही second fusion होता है, we are talking about the second fusion in the double fertilization condition. Second fusion होने के बाद depending upon different plant we get different types of endosperm. कुछ endosperm nuclear types होता है, इसका मतलब they are the most, they have lots and lots of mitotic division happening, right? And this is the most commonest form. nuclear type जो है सबसे common है angiosperm में पाया जाता है, जो कि बहुत सारे फ्री न्यूक्लियाई बनाते हैं. Here in this diagram also, एग्जाम में डायरेक्ट एक बारी क्वेश्चन आया था बोर्ड में. Write on the different types of endosperm with diagram. So you are supposed to draw the diagram. So first you will be writing what is an endosperm. एंडोस्पर्म क्या होता है? द ट्रिप्लॉइड प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म न्यूक्लियस. PEN, प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म न्यूक्लियस, राइट? रिपीटेडली डिवाइड्स बाय व्हाट प्रोसेस? माइटोसिस या मियोसिस? माइटोसिस. मियोसिस कहाँ पे होता है? हमेशा याद रखो, मियोसिस हैपन्स इन द गैमेट फॉर्मेशन, राइट? सो हियर प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म मतलब PEN, प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म न्यूक्लियस डिवाइड्स माइटोटिकली थ्रू माइटोसिस. डिवाइड करके बहुत सारे न्यूट्रिटिव टिश्यूज़ बनाते हैं, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं एंडोस्पर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स से you know coconut, tender coconut, in that the liquid part, it's a kind of endosperm that's providing nourishment, right? So the first thing you have to understand is the definition of endosperm. What is endosperm? You should be able to write it. Now next, let's read. In post changes after fertilization, what all things happen? That we are going to see here. It's an interesting short story that says one child visits. You can hear this, but here this fellow, he sees around the tree and really surprised कि यहाँ सारे fruits हैं. जब मैं पहले आया था यहाँ सारे flowers थे, तो he is really surprised. ऐसा क्यों है? जो flowers जो fruits में कैसे convert हो गए? So that's this small story about. So let's watch it.
What happened, Spiky? You look surprised.
Mrs. Coco, I visited this orchard a few weeks ago, and I remember that there were flowers growing here. Now there are fruits. What happened here?
Nothing's happened. It's just a natural process through which flowers turn into fruits.
That sounds amazing. Do flowers lay fruits like hens lay eggs?
No, Spiky. After fertilization, the ovary of a flower develops into a fruit.
What's fertilization?
Fertilization is the fusion of male and female gametes that occurs in the ovule of a flower. Fertilization takes place in 3 steps: the germination of pollen grains, zygote formation, and finally, embryo formation. Let's take a look at each step. The first step is the germination of pollen grains. After pollination, the pollen grains that are trapped by the stigma germinate. The pollen grows into a long pollen tube that extends down the style to enter the flower's ovary. Next, the nucleus of the pollen grain divides into 2 male gametes. Then, the pollen tube bursts and releases the male gametes inside the ovule. One of the male gamete fuses with a female gamete and forms a zygote. A zygote is a combination of a male and female gamete. The zygote divides many times before forming an embryo. An embryo is a baby plant that goes inside a seed. Finally, during the end of fertilization, the embryo is covered by a tough outer covering called a seed coat.
But it does not look like a fruit at all.
You're right, Spiky. After fertilization, several changes take place in a flower. For instance, the flower's sepals, petals, and stamens dry up and fall off. Then, the ovules, which contain the embryo, develop into a seed. The ovary grows bigger and ripens into a fruit. The skin of the fruit, or the pericarp, develops from the walls of the ovary. At this point, the flower completely becomes a fruit.
I have another video. Let's see that. This is the blackberry which is found always in Mahabaleshwar. This is the flower. इसके अंदर आपको आइंड्रोशियम और गार्नेशियम दोनों दिख रहे हैं. तो ये जो है बाहर बाहर के हैं वो एंड्रोशियम है और जो सेंटर वाला है गार्नेशियम है. जैसे ही पॉलिनेशन हो जाता है यू कैन सी डाउन ओवरी पार्ट देखो स्वेल हो रहा है, राइट. एंड जैसे ही ओवरी स्वेल हो रहा है इट्स ग्रोइंग इनटू फ्रूट. रेस्ट एवरीथिंग फॉल्स डाउन, विदर्स ऑफ. जो फ्लावर का सेपल होता है, पेटल होता है, सब फॉल्स डाउन. सो ओवरी ग्रोज इनटू अ फ्रूट एंड ओव्यूल जहाँ फ्यूजन हुआ था दैट ग्रोज इनटू द जनरल सीड. बट दिस इज द ब्लैकबेरी. So the seed itself is the fruit, no, here. It ripens with the time. So you've seen how the flower changes into fruit. So this happens only after fertilization. Pollination होने के बाद जब fertilization हो जाता है, only after that the gynoecium part, that is the ovary or any substance around the ovary, it can be receptacle, it can be thalamus, that grows into fleshy substance forming the fruit. That is why we say flower is the sexually important part in a plant. This has got nutritive endosperm inside it that brings the nutrition also.